Thinking about going keto? Before you start, it's crucial to understand common mistakes that can hinder your success. First, many people don't eat enough fat. Since keto relies on fat as the primary fuel source, skimping on fat can leave you feeling tired, hungry, and unable to maintain energy. Incorporate healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and nuts into every meal to stay satisfied. Second, neglecting electrolytes is a frequent error. When carb intake drops, your body loses sodium, potassium, and magnesium, causing headaches, cramps, and fatigue. Combat this by seasoning your food well and eating leafy greens regularly. Third, relying too much on processed keto snacks can backfire. These often contain additives and hidden carbs that stall progress. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods for better health and results. Fourth, not tracking carb intake carefully can easily push you out of ketosis. Use a food diary or app to monitor your macros and stay within your carb limits. Finally, ignoring fiber intake leads to digestive issues like constipation. Choose low-carb, fiber-rich veggies such as broccoli and spinach to keep digestion smooth. Avoiding these pitfalls will make your keto journey more effective and sustainable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for future uploads.